The girls are ready for some bling. Today, you guys, we're going to be focusing on bling application using the OG of OGs. Of course, we all know and love the new thick girl around the block. Her name is Squeezy, but the OG of OGs is, of course, Miss Gummy Gel. Here she is with her new holographic packaging. And today, we're going to bling out this beautiful, extreme tapered stiletto nail. The most snatched full coverage gel nail in the world. Look at that nail. Ooh, I love me a good sharp stiletto. And I'm going to be using our luxury pearl carousel, which has these beautiful pearls in it. And of course, all of the luxury diamonds available at enolcouture.com. So you guys, Gummy Gel works in conjunction with either Shiny or Wonder Gel. So the way it works is you finish your design, you finish your nail, you apply the gummy where you want the stones. So today we're going to do quite a heavy design. So you're going to apply your Gummy Gel wherever you want the stones. And then directly on top of it, you're going to apply either Shiny Gel or Wonder Gel. You have to use it with a gel top coat. You cannot use it by itself. If you use Gummy Gel by itself, you will not have a good result. And don't say I didn't tell you. Because in all the videos, I always say, make sure you use Gummy Gel with either Shiny or Wonder Gel. And today, let's use her with Miss Shiny. I have my Shiny right here. So let's apply a nice layer of Shiny Gel over the entire phalange. And I am literally floating it over the Gummy Gel. Like you're frosting a cake, okay? Just like that. And then we're going to get our clay color palette. Let me put the lamp away. Because you guys know me, I can never have enough diamonds. And we have so many incredible diamonds. Got my bling tool ready. Like we have the fairy stones, the unicorn opals. It's like, what kind of diamond don't we have is a better question. I'm going to start out with a big one. Start out with a bang. This princess cut one is legit, sis, no joke. Hi, diamonds. Come through, Harajuku bride realness. You guys, I just can't help myself when it comes to blinging out the phalanges. And you really have so much time to work with them because this gel will not dry until you bake it. And you have all the time in the world to bake it. So if there's a stone where you don't like where she is, just feel free to move her around and put her to where you want. Remember, when it comes to nail art, there is no right or wrong, okay? You have 100% complete control of the situation when it comes to nail art. It sounds like we're in Blade with this music. Legit. Let's do another little pearl in there. And you guys, our diamonds and our pearls cost a fraction of the price of the other ones. And they shine just as bright, the Maxovsky as I like to call them. The Maxovsky diamonds. The girls love the Maxovsky diamonds. What do you guys think? Is that enough? Is that enough for today? Maybe. Let's wipe the side, wipe the side. Keep everything skinny and snatched. And then we're going to take a liner brush. I'm going to use the hot pink one from the vegan 4-pack. And then I'm going to take my famous BB Mini Pearls. Touch the brush into the wet gel. And this is going to fill in any gaps we might have. You can use gold or silver. I'm using gold today just to bring out the warmth in the diamonds and in the pearls. But you can use whatever color you want. There's lots of colors in the BB Mini Pearls, and there's 2 different volumes too. What do you girls think? This is very daytime stripper, right? Very simple, very discreet. Very soccer mom. Oh my gosh, I applied the pearls too close to the edge, but nothing we can't wipe off. Wow, look at that. And then we're gonna bake this for 1 minute inside the dazzling darling lamp. Let's go ahead and bake this for 1 minute. Come through camera. There she is. Let's bake it for a minute. Okay, so she's done baking. We're gonna wait 10 seconds after the hen comes out of the lamp. What do you girls think? It's very simple, very discreet, very bridal, very minimalistic, I like to think. Focus camera. There she is. Let's apply a little bit of cuticle oil. Wow. Here comes the bride, all dressed in diamonds. Let me get some hard light. Wow. That is stunning, mama. Wow, so beautiful. Super lovely, super simple, and all made with enolcouture.com products. So check them out right now. Proudly made here in America. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.